So, regrets, huh? 500, 0. Which one maximum?
500.
Put 500. 0, 650. 650. 980, 180. Put here. The last one? Minimum. Which one minimum?
500.
That's all. Therefore, we choose to expand. Minimax regret in English means, like what Zubai says, we want minimum regrets in life. Right? How? We look for the worst and hope for the best. That's all. So this is the opposite of Maximax just now. Yes?
The last bit. The last bit. At 650, you're pitting that against that 500. Is that what you did there? Explain to me the last bit. The
Yes.
Minimax.
Okay, very good. Why we don't choose 980 over 500? Is that the question?
No, that too, but the Minimax, the part of Minimax, the after we get the numbers.
After the numbers,
Yes.
how do we get the minimax? Okay, fine. Minimax says we go for maximum
Okay.
from the back to the front. Max. So we look at the first one.
Yeah.
What's the maximum? 500 or 0?
500. Okay.
Second one, maximum? Maximum?
650.
650.
Yeah.
Third one?
980.
That's the max one.
Yeah.
Then, min.
Mean from that.
From this, we look for minimum.
Got it.
But you ask yourself, why are we doing minimum? Shouldn't we do maximum? Because in this case, these numbers are what? Regrets. You want more regrets or you want less regrets?
Less regret.
Less regret.
I'll give you 1 minute. This is the more difficult one for the 5. But exam is okay, huh? No need to memorize, right? Open book. But you need to know how to apply.
Yeah, well, the open book part makes the expectations.
Also, you want closed book?
No. I never argued that. Blah. I like reward.
Fourth. The fourth method.
What the hell is that?
Hurwitcz
Oh,
criteria. Now, Hurwitcz is like called confidence. Alpha is like a confidence. Confidence. So when you have low confidence, alpha is low, close to 0. Right? So, Yumna. So if we have high confidence, what happened to my alpha? Higher. But alpha cannot be more than 1.
yes.
Between 0 and 1. Okay, alpha, right? Next, how do we apply? Alpha times good confidence in good, plus bad times 1 minus alpha. Those of you who cannot see, just stand up. Okay, so Hurwitz, do this. 0.3 alpha times this number plus 1 minus alpha. Times?
Is the alpha given from the start?
Yes.
Okay.
So they'll tell you alpha is 0.4, you just
Oh, based on what you know the number of alpha?
yes.
How you know it?
Confidence. Example, good question. In the real world, in order for me to know good confidence, good conditions, you do economics. So I look at interest rates, political factors, anything, inflation. So based on all this information, I think high chance it will be good. Then I have, this one will be high.
So is this with probability then?
Something like probability, but it's not probability yet. Similar, but not. Alpha is not confident. Because this 5, as I said, is calculated with no probability yet.
So
But
in
the concept is the same as probability.
so in exam it will be given.
Yes.
Let's say it's a headache.
Sorry?
Let's say it's a headache. Yes.
That's the headache.
Let's say it's a headache.
I'll save the headache. Yep. Right. Move on. The last one. The easiest. Equal likelihood.
No.
Okay? Equal likelihood. Equal likelihood is from the name, equal chance. Equal. So if you got 2 state of nature, 50%, 50%. Equal. Right, that's why 0.5. Now in the exam, let's say in the exam, let's say only, you have 3 state of nature, good, poor, and normal. Using equal likelihood, how do we calculate? Sorry? 33.3. Very good. We do 33.3, 33.3, 33.3. Do you know how we get 33.3? No? That's
1 divided by
3. Therefore, each one will be 1 over 3. 1 over 3, you're going to take calculator, is 0.33. So 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. If 2, just say half 1 over 2, 1 over 2.
So if it's 4,
4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Equal. Same. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5.
Is that going to happen for the other one? The Hurwitcz?
Very good. For Hurwitcz, very good question. Now, master's level, you have to learn how to ask questions. Hurwitcz, if you got 3 or 4, no need to do all. Alpha, you choose the best. 1 minus alpha, you choose the worst. The top and the worst.
So for this one,
In
there
the middle, you forget
it's only 2.
2. Only 2. Alpha, 1 minus alpha. Best, the worst. That's all. But equal likelihood, apply all. Now, those of you, if you don't understand, never mind. Wednesday, Thursday come, we do some examples so that you can understand. Okay, now it's the concept, the understanding.
What about maximin if we have 3 minimax or what was
Very
that?
good.
Minimax.
Which one?
Yeah, minimax.
This one.
Yeah.
Very good question. So if you have 3 state of nature, what do we do? Same one?
Same.
Good, poor, normal. You see the maximum, you calculate the regrets. So you have regrets. Then you look from the front, you go for maximum. Which one is the maximum? You put here. Out of 3, which one? You put here. Out of 3, which one? You put here. Then you choose the minimum. Still the same.
So in maximin we choose the lesser, the minimum.
Right?
In minimax we choose the lowest, the highest, and in maximin we choose the lowest. Right?
No. What do you ask again? Can you repeat?
I said in minimax we choose the lowest.
No. Minimax, you choose the highest first. Maximum, See, 500, 0, you choose the highest first.
Okay.
0, 650, you choose the highest first. 980, 180, you choose the highest. From the highest, you choose the lowest of the highest.
Oh. And that's opposite in maxi-min.
This is called minimax and drag.
No, I'm saying about maxi-min, it's opposite.
Maximin is the opposite. You choose the lowest, then you find the highest.
Okay.
Take the name.
Okay, let's take a 5 minutes break before.